Bumati ka muna sa ating mga kapamilya dito ngayon.
Hello mga people! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po sa pagpunta niyo dito ngayong gabi.
Ayan, Colleen, we're very excited for #why. I wanna know naman from you, what's the story about? At kung ako manonood nito, from your point of view, what will I get?
Ayun, it's the Barkada movie of the year, Knox.
Wow!
It's the Barkada movie of the year, and ayun, it's about 4 friends and Slater.
Okay.
It's about 4 friends and Slater, and it revolves around their stories. It's mainly about youth and the troubled youth, actually, yung mga problema na pinagdadaanan ng mga kabataan ngayon.
Okay, and the reason why we're highlighting that is because gusto nating ipaintindi kung paano ba nila susolusyonan yung problema nilang mga ganyan. Yung parang ganun ba ito, Colleen?
Yes, actually, ayun, I think kasi lahat ng kabataan na manonood, makaka-relate. Kaya ako, nung pinanood ko, hindi lang sa character ko, pero nakarelate ako sa iba't ibang mga character na nasa story na to. I think that everybody will find a little bit of themselves in some of the characters. And hopefully, makatulong yun sa mga problema nila in a way na ma-uplift sila and yung mga problema nila, they find a way to. It's actually also more of a wake-up call.
Ayun.
Yun yung objective talaga ng film. It's kung ano na nangyayari sa mga kabataan ngayon na kailangan talaga solusyonan.
Ayan, and balita ko, ang galing mo daw dito, ha?
Thank you!
Ayun.
Lahat magaling.
Kasi nanalo kayo ng award, no? Best Acting Ensemble.
Yes.
Ayan, Cinemalaya. Please invite them. Please.
Ayun, this Wednesday na, malapit na po, #why, papalabas sa lahat ng cinemas nationwide. So, I love you! Thank you so much talaga sa mga fans ko, Bicol, Team DCOG, thank you so much for coming today. Maraming salamat. And I hope to see you sa mga screenings. Ayun, ang gagawin namin, minsan manunod kami sa mga cinema.
Wow!
Pakapakita
Surprise
mo
yan,
kami.
surprise.
Oo, hindi namin sasabihin kung saan. Basta baka makita mo kami sa mga sinehan. And ayun, just thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Kasi yung Cinemalaya pa lang to, it became blockbuster hit na.
Right.
So, we wouldn't have achieved that if it weren't for the support of everybody talaga. Kaya maraming salamat. Panoorin niyo ulit.
Thank you to Star Cinema for bringing it to mainstream.
Thank you so much to Star Cinema.
Okay, mamimigay na si Colleen ng poster. Pababa natin si Colleen doon para makapagbigay siya ng
Pwede ako bumaba?
Ayan, Colleen will be giving out posters December 10. Ayan. December 10 po sa lahat ng mga sinihan. Ito po ang #why. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Colleen Garcia. Huwag naman kalimutan, #why starring Colleen and the rest of the cast. Ito nga po ay pinalabas sa Cinemalaya and now, kapanood na natin siya in more than 100 theaters nationwide. Colleen, final words. Say thank you and goodbye to everyone.
Ayan, thank you so much. Hindi pa naman sa commercial, dyan naman si Elmo Magalona. Kaya naantayin niyo, lalabas na siya. Bye-bye! Thank you so much!
At inintro naman ni Colleen, please welcome Elmo Magalona! If you won't stay, just don't kill the magic. Just don't kill the magic. I'm not ready to give up just yet. We can stay till we both forget. Thank you so much for coming here. And yeah, nandito kami for #Y.
Yun! Akala ko akata pa si Elmo eh. Hi Elmo, magandang gabi. Bati tayo sa ating mga kapuso at kapatid, kapamilya nandito ngayon.
Yes, sa lahat mo na nandito, mapakamilia, mapakapuso, mapakapatid kayo. Thank you so much for coming and gracing our world tour for #Y.
Excited ka na ba mapanood to in the mainstream cinema?
Yes, it's actually my very first indie film, and I'm so happy na it got through to the mainstream.
Right.
and-
Box office.
Yes, and I'm so happy now we got the box office for Cinemalaya, and we got the Best Ensemble
Right.
award for our cast. And yeah, I'm so proud and I'm so happy to be able to share this piece with you guys. Sana talaga you get to watch it this December 10th.
December 10. What role mo dito? Anong role mo dito?
Ako dito si Miles. Si Miles ay isang loner. Madalas siyang very isolated. Konti lang ang friends niya. At yun, I think marami ring makaka-relate sa kanya and sa barkada niya.
Ayun, alam mo, nung sinabi mo yung loner, marami akong kilala na gano'n din yung di ba minsan parang medyo quiet lang.
Yeah.
Di ba? So makaka-relate sila sa character mo.
Makaka-relate sila sa character ko
Oo.
as ni Miles.
Ayun.